Yo, what's up? It's been a while, and I've been reading all the DMs, all your comments, all of it, and thank you everyone for all the kind words. It means a lot. I've been banging out all my classes, rest of them, but I guess it was worth it, even though I was sitting in my room a lot of the time, because ya boy graduated. Yep, it wouldn't have happened if I wasn't so positive. But it also hasn't really been that. So let's take a gander. Lots of vert videos, so don't get triggered, but TikTok seemed to have changed that norm. But a few things that I've been doing, well, let's see. I went to PECLA, which is a Porsche Experience Center of Los Angeles. Super fun. I got to drive a 911, and after driving that, I think that might be my dream car now. And I always have to get my black iced coffee. And go to the Orange County Cars and Coffee. Saw a sweet Pandem C8. Oh, and I saw a crazy fire. Went to a winter wonderland. Jumped over a fire on a dirt bike. Got surrounded by BMWs. My brother sold his Subaru. What else? I also hung out with my nieces a lot and helped Jacob pick up his 4Runner, hint hint, and film Vespa wheelies, pretty rad. Oh, and also Vespa burnouts. But I threw snow at Maddie, sorry, and went on hikes, saw cool Christmas lights as well. Oh, and I went to Yoda Heaven, holy crap. And went to also cool other places with Maddie, but I always tried filming. You know how it is. But enough of that. Let's jump into the video. Bum ba da dum. Okay, I got carbon shift knob. Got this little cool button right here. Look at that. Oh. Well, it feels so weird holding this right now. So, check these out. These are bride seats. Just got them. Well, didn't just get them. I've had them for maybe a couple months now. Look at that squeaky. Little squeaky action going on right here. Just pulling up to the local. Oh, whoa. Local AutoZone. So, just got this thing. It's like a full wiring harness kit that I got from AutoZone. My fog light switch originally is right here, but it doesn't really work. It doesn't want to work anymore, so that's why I got this thing right here. Hopefully it works. Alright, here in the garage. You guys remember this garage. We got my wiring harness right here, and we're going to fix these diode dynamic fog lights. Whoa, whoa! I think this will solve the issue. Let's see, let's unwind everything. But first, we need to get this bumper off right here. So, voila, look at that. So, just a little rundown. A lot of you have been asking about this little thing that I got going on right here. So, basically what I did, you guys remember that fog cover that I made? I cut up the entire section out right here, and then I got some plexiglass, cut this out, shaped it out to this shape, and then I also cut out little spots right here. They're not perfect, but I cut them out to fit these the fog lights from Diode Dynamics. It's pretty cool. I kind of digging it. If they worked, they would look even cooler. So as I'm gonna jump into the engine, we're just gonna show you. I'm freaking crazy. I got another Cobb intake in here. I also got a Cusco strut tower right there. Still got the AOS. Only the trusted stuff in this whip. I don't know what else I really changed in this engine bay. Cause you know, I'm Yep. I know what I'm doing. So I got it all set up so I could do a T-tap connection. Right now I'm gonna wire this crap through the whole car, so let's see how that goes. Alright. Moments later, got the wiring harness out, the old one. Like I even just snipped them, I got over it. Focus! Focus! This wiring harness that I got from AutoZone, it's pretty nice. It has like a weatherproofing like cover for it. But you just gotta hit up your local AutoZone if you wanna get a quality wiring harness. Bum 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 bum. Update time. I got all this stuff going on right here. I snipped these wires to take them out. This plugged in to test. This new wiring harness has a relay, which I wired right there. And then I have the positive and negative going through. This right here is running through the side panel right here, dropping down where the intake goes, plugs in there. And also where the positive and negative is, that's one big wire and it's going through the firewall. It's right there. The first rule that you always have to do when you're working on your cars is to undo the battery. But I got the battery rewired up right now and it is showtime. Look at this right here, look at that mess. This right here is the moment of truth. This is me like rubbing my hands together, but I have my camera and my light in my hands, so this is my way of showing you guys that I'm rubbing my hands together for good luck. Alright. Alright, the light turned on. Dude, these lights haven't worked for like 3 months now, so... Oh my god. They're on! It's on! It's on, look at that. They are finally working. It took like 2 hours to wire up because numbers of things that I had to do and I didn't want to bore you guys. Now I have to splice this. So in the wiring harness, it had the longer cord, so I used that one to go wrapping around to that side, splice into that one, and just run a quick cord, positive, negative, to plug right into there. Whoa, 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 whoa.